What's going on, everybody? Bo is back. Bo is here, back on the van build after 2 busy weeks. Very busy schedule. I finally got a day off. Now, because every time I get home, it's already dark. So my priority is to have all the lights connected so I can at least work inside the van. Now, you can see the lights are on. These two LEDs, for some reason, I think the connection, I gotta check on that, but that is minor. Everything connected, turn them on. Outside, the roof light and everything on, AC's on. You can see even beautiful AC frame right here. I did that, and everything else, a little bit of frame right here for the cabinet one side. And check this out. This is what I spent time on today. Spent almost, well, all day, the entire day with it. I just want to make sure it looks perfect. It looks, as you can see, it's so beautiful, shiny gray. And I want to put all the switches in one area as possible. All the other vans I've done also, the switches and the most in one area. But what's special about this one, I made it easy to open as a cabinet. And also you have a little bit of storage inside. You can put little tool in a little bag or something like that. But just in case I need to modify any wires or add anything to here, this is very simple to do. Swing wide open. I can work on the wires back here, nice and clean wire. Okay, you can see with the LED right here, oh yeah, I can even work on it at night. So it comes out beautiful. All the switches are working. One extra switch left. I got my heater control up here, my monitor, my inverter on off switch right here, dimmer LED light dimmer up here. So pretty much all the switches up here. So yeah, I just want to give everybody an update after 2 weeks no video. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now, and starting tomorrow, maybe the schedule gets lighter. I can get to work a little bit at a time. So I'll keep you guys posted on the progress. Thank you for watching this really quick short video. Just want to make sure that everybody don't think that I'm gone somewhere. Anyways, thank you. I will see you soon.